So welcome back. So right now we are under the query, the Mongo CRUD operations and query documents under the manual here. But let's say that after we got a result back, so we got this result back, but we actually also wanted to sort it on the name. So how can we actually sort on a find we just did? I'm going to show you that now. And now, first of all, we need to move out of the one we were just looking at. So we are still under the MongoDB manual, but right here you're going under references instead, Mongo shell methods and cursor methods. Now, think of the cursor as a way for us to create a set of functions before we actually execute the command. So it's like we're saying, I want to do this, this, and this, and then execute all those statements before. So a cursor is a way for us to combine multiple statements before we actually execute them against the database. That's the same here. So we have a sort function that we can use before, that we can add information before we actually do the find. So for instance, let's try this. We're going to try and throw this into a sort function. And let me just show you how easy it actually is. So if they don't have an example, I'll show you. So here they do the find, that's fair. Let's just scroll down. I want to add the sort, there we go. So I'm just going to grab the sort here. Let's go back to our solution. So we are saying find all the guys with this age and sort it on the age, right? So I'm going to sort it. Right now it says 42, 43. So let's try and do this and see what actually works. Let's open them. So now it's 43 and 42 because I did a -1. Let's try and do a 1 instead. Execute again. Show them. Now it's 42 and 43, right? So you can either sort ascending or descending depending on you do a -1 or a 1, but I'm sorting now on the age after the search. So let's just try and remove this less than query right here and just execute it again. Now you'll see 3 persons sorted by age, 22, 42, 43. And let's do a minus again just to show you one last time that now we're switching it around. So you can always build on your queries by just adding a dot and then executing more and more and more on a first query, right? So think of this as the cursor. We have the cursor pointing here right now, but it can continue. We can keep just doing dot, 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 and we'll do that in the next couple of lessons. See you next time.